Quick video, everybody. So trying to get the car cleaned up. The cicadas that we had to drive through on Highway 50 were out of control. They are shoved into every crevice. Some of it's a 1/4 inch thick. I'll put pictures up here and you guys will see what I'm dealing with. But here's the biggest problem. So as you guys can see here, that is the grease from, let's see if I can get up in here. So you can see where I had to duct tape the CV joint boots to get it home. Look at the grease on the shaft. It's everywhere. So I got to clean all this up, pull the shafts out. We're going to put new boots in. And all this, that's all that grasshopper cicada stuff that's everywhere. That mixed with grease. So the car kind of stinks right now. But what a mess, as you guys can see. It's just everywhere. So we'll start getting these axles pulled out. Those boots can't handle 160 miles an hour, but what a mess. I mean, look at the aluminum panel right there. It's just everywhere. I don't know how this stuff's even gonna clean up because it's, yeah, not gonna be fun. Yeah, not gonna be fun at all. So got the wheels all cleaned up and I'll start cleaning everything up underneath here, start pulling all this crap apart. So yeah, wish me luck. So I'll throw this video up, quick and simple, failure, but you know, made it home. So that's the important part. Now it's time to clean. Thanks. The CV joint boots on the driver's side, both are torn. I don't see a rip in this one, but there's grease all over the place, so it's torn too. But obviously these flexible boots can't handle 160 miles an hour. So Patrick had his go bad too. Both half shafts are out. You can see this boot here is tore up and the other side was really shredded on the driver's side. This side's not so bad. You got a leak on the other side, but I'm not going to touch it because it's all greasy. But yeah, big old mess. So here's the CV joint. Not a lot of grease in there, but that was 600 miles with no boot. So not bad. Probably could have gone longer. Wanted to show a bunch of pictures of the axles coming apart, some of my observations. Everything actually looks pretty good for 600 miles with no boots, so the grease pretty much stays put. I did notice the shafts are the same, driver and passenger. It's just the inner joint that's different. Here you can see some of the wear, still in pretty good shape, no issues there. This is where it was chewing up the lower control arm, and the boot is expanding. And then just some more pictures of the shafts, how this CV joint comes apart. A lot of these were just for my reference, so I knew how to put these things back together. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Lots of write-ups on the internet, so we're not going to worry about that. But just kind of wanted to show some photos. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Okay, everybody. Well, I got the half shafts all rebuilt. So these boots are actually from a Ford Mustang. They fit really good. They're much stiffer. It's like not neoprene like the other ones. The only thing I don't like is this side is a little bit loose. So we'll see once I get the band clamp to tighten these up. If not, I'm going to call the drive shaft shop who makes all the drivetrain stuff for Factory 5 and see if they've got, I know they've got some racing boots. And I also drilled a really tiny hole right up into there on all 4 boots. I think it was a 16th inch drill, so it's just tiny enough to vent the pressure out so these things don't expand and blow up. But these things are much stiffer than the neoprene ones, so hopefully they'll work. I've just got to borrow a band clamp tool. I don't have one of those things. I know, go figure, the one tool I don't have. So hopefully the car will be back on the road soon. I had to buy new rear brakes. They were coated in grease. Yeah, kind of a pain in the ass. So hopefully this doesn't happen again. But word to the wise, if you're going to use these cars the way they're intended, some of these things you got to do. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe. And I don't know what the next video will be, but we'll see. So thanks again.